Hey guys, how are you? I am here with
Faith.
and Mom. I know I look young to be a mother, but we're trying out. Can anyone
Miolo's
tell
Grape Nut
what
Ice
this
Cream.
is? Miola's.
Sorry.
Miola's.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, the grape nut ice cream, and of course, grape nut is whose favorite?
Yes.
Mine's. And who always eat grape nut?
You.
And
I get chocolate chip cookie dough every single time.
and you get other stuff too.
When?
You get other stuff too. You're more versatile than me. I always get grape nut. So guess what? I am trying grape nut from Miola's here in Massachusetts. So, and I've tried grape nut in different places. So, come on.
Okay.
Really? My grape nut is expensive, Faith. So, come on.
Okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
All right. Wait. We supposed to go like that. We supposed to go like that. Wait.
Why are you being so loud in the hallway? Look at the floor.
We're gonna clean it up. All right. So we're home, guys. We're home. Actually, we're visiting my mom. So yeah. Go on.
3, 2, 1.
Once I start dancing, that's it. You know it's good.
Tastes good.
It tastes really good.
The grape
How
nut.
does it taste?
The grape nut tastes good.
The grape nut. Guys, if you haven't tasted grape nut, taste it at Miola's. It's really good.
In Massachusetts.
In Massachusetts.
Good.
Rate from 1 to 10. What rating do you give it? It's up there.
It's a 9.1.
Yeah, 9. I go with her. It's really good. So, would you go back again? Of course.
Yes.
With a 9.1, we'll go back again. So thank you, guys.
Thank you for watching our review.
Like
Share and subscribe.
and subscribe.